All right, so now we are at the beginning of step 4. So by step 4, recall that we have defined our plane model, so a plane model for a surface. We did it in step 1. So in step 2, we made sure that all kind of these pieces of adjacent A and A inverse, they just canceled out, so they just don't appear in our plane model. And in step 3, we showed how to rearrange our plane model so that all vertices of the polygon, they are glued to the same point on the actual surface, right? So now we are in step 4. So in step 4, we have the following situation. So suppose that we have our plane model, which is a huge polygon probably, and in this polygon we have some label appears twice, say A here and A here, without inverses. This is important. So it appears twice without inverses, or maybe both of them with inverses, in which case they can be just, I don't know, we can just change the direction, because all that is important is that whether it distinguishes between this or this. So if we change the direction of both arrows, it doesn't really affect the surface. So if this is the case, if we have this pair somewhere in our plane model, so A and then another A, separated probably by a lot of other labels, then what we're going to do is this, right? So we're going to make a line from the tail of one copy, from the head of one copy of A to the head of the other copy of A, right? And then we're going to basically move this over and glue it here. And so like this. And then we will get this figure on the right, which is, if you forget about A and just, rename, because now A is not important for our gluing instruction. So, and you rename X to A. You will see that this is a plane model with two labels A that appear next to each other.